Hey, welcome to the series of everything you need to know about Python in simplest possible way. In the series of pattern printings, so far we have discussed so many patterns. In this video, we will discuss how we can solve this particular pattern using for loop and string multiplication. So let us go ahead and solve this particular pattern printing problems. So now what I will be taking is that I will take a variable rows to mention how many number of rows that I wanted. So I am taking the static value as 5. Later we will change this value and dynamically take input from the user. So I will generate a range of values by using for loop. So I will mentioning for loop to generate this pattern. So for I in range, I want range of values which are starting from 5 and ends with this 1. So because of that reason, I will mention the starting value as rows and the end value as 0. I am mentioning 0, not mentioning as 1, because range value don't generate this stop value, including this generates exclusive value. Because of that reason, I want one value. Because of that reason, I am mentioning this as 0. So on each iteration, I need to reduce the values. Because of that reason, I am mentioning -1. So I want the values in the decrementing order. So now in the loop, what I will be doing is that I am just printing this I value to make you understand what we can actually generate through this loop. If I execute this, I am getting the result as 54321. So now we already know what exactly string multiplication. If you don't know, you can consider watching this video of in the present in the pattern printing's first video. So now we will be using string multiplication to generate this particular pattern. So now I will just simply mention this star and I will mention this multiplication symbol. If I execute this, I can able to generate this particular pattern. That is what we have expected by simply mentioning this string multiplication operator. So I hope you have understood this particular pattern printing problem. If not, let me simply explain once again. So we are using this for loop to iterate through this to generate this particular printing pattern. So we are using this range value to generate a range of values from this particular 5 to value 1. So I have mentioned 0. By mentioning this 0, we can actually generate a range of values from 5 till 1 in the decrementing order. Because of that reason, I have mentioned -1. By simply mentioning this star with multiplied with this I, we can actually generate this particular pattern. So now we will take the input dynamically from the user. So because of that reason, I am mentioning int input. I am asking user to enter any number. So if I execute this, it was asking to enter any number. Now I will be giving the number as 5. So as and when the number I have given 5, it was generating this particular pattern. That is what we have expected previously. So now I will give one more number, which is maybe 10. So if I execute this, I can able to get the similar pattern that what we have expected. Let me give one more big number. Let's say the value may be 18. So by mentioning this 18 number, we can actually generate this particular pattern by what we have expected, the similar pattern. So by using this logic, we can actually generate this particular pattern with any number that is given by the user. So I hope you have understood this problem. So in the next video, we will discuss this particular pattern printing. So if you have any kind of solution like this, what we have discussed, you can mention that in the comment section. Anyway, we will discuss this particular pattern printing in the next video. To stay updated, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications to all so that whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.